Hi, I'm Robert Lisac, and today I want to show you that you can work out and train while you're cooking bone broth and other things. As you see, this will be a perfect bone broth. Where are the bones now? Ah, here is one. Come on. Voila. And then here's another one. Perfect. And a bone broth, it's said that it's good for old joints like I have. I don't know if this is true. In any case, I like bone broth anyway. So, and while this is cooking, it has to cook for hours. I can have my workouts and I can train my martial arts stuff as well. Oops.